Alright, welcome back. I see we have one viewer. I wonder who it is. Who's here from the very first second? But yeah, anyways, we are going to finish our frog, our cool little frog video today. As you can see here, we rendered the... Oh, it's Damien! It's me! Nice, man. Nice to see you joining again. Let's see, so over the night I rendered this sequence here, I think. Let's see, animation or not. But yeah, I would say let's go into Resolve and composite whatever we rendered, even if I don't remember what exactly that was. Let's find that out. It was really fun yesterday when David and Mike joined. It's always really cool to just like work with people together, like especially when the clients are like creatives themselves. It's just like such a fun collaboration. Okay, so let's see what we have. Pow, 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 pow. 3D render. Frog wave 1. Yeah, we've got frog wave number 1. Very nice. So that means we should be able to just import this, right? Yeah, there we go. Shot 1, V1. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's get into compositing. Disable. I really don't understand why they have not patched this yet. Like this fusion toolbar, it just doesn't stay hidden, no matter how often I just deactivate it. Okay, let's go. Actually, before we do that, I think I should just copy paste whatever we have going on here already. Yeah, let's just do that. Just copy paste the whole thing. The cool thing about Resolve is that the media in 1, media in 1 and media out 1 is always the same. So you see like this is a different shot, right? But it's still, even if I just copy paste it, it still uses the original shot. So it's really easy to just like copy paste whole setups between shots and have the same result, but on different shots. Okay, and this thing we obviously want to replace, yes. So here the starting point is 211. Let's go. And for the layer we have to choose the combined. Okay. There we go. Okay. First task is we should do a 2D track in this footage. For that I'll just go to the beginning here and add a tracker. Just a normal like 2-point 2D tracker should be enough. Okay, so I need to add another one. And then let's see. I think this dot here is very trackable. Damien asks, are you also gonna teach compositing in Resolve? Hell yeah, dude. That's, I mean, I'm gonna like in the Resolve, actually, yeah, the Resolve Basics course, I am gonna touch a little bit on Fusion, like the basics, like the concept of node compositing and like some of the basic nodes you need to do stuff. But there will be more in-depth workshops when it comes to compositing in Fusion and Resolve. Yeah, but you'll definitely get the basics with the beginner's course. Alright, let's track this. Very nice, very nice. And then track backwards. Oh, that doesn't look... That's not right. The track jumps a bit here. Okay, so it jumps from here to there. So it needs to stay here. Let's track backwards. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Is it possible to get camera infos from Blender instead of tracking? Yeah, you can export your Blender cameras as Alembic or FBX files and just import them into Fusion directly. You can do that up here in the Fusion tab, and then import, and then you can see like Alembic, FBX, Photoshop files, even SVG, tracks. I don't know what tracks is. Mod DFMO. Okay, I don't know what kind of files these are. Probably camera tracking data. Okay, and now we are going to use this. Wait, how's it best? I think we move the footage all the way down in its original form. Yeah, I think that makes most sense. So this tracker, we are going to use... there's a few ways to do this. I think I will just do a linked copy. So I will do this and then Control V, Control Shift V, and then I'll have a linked copy. And I will put this on top of... well, let's see. So I should have the... oh no, it needs to be a background. The yellow input is always background and the green one is the foreground. Okay, so I got this here now. And I want this footage to be transformed. So for that I go into operations and do match move. And then I do foreground only. That should do what I need it to do, right? Oh no, because it's background. Background only. Ah, that looks kind of strange. That looks very strange. Oh, there's also a big jump. Oh! Okay, now the tracker didn't work, the right one. Something... oh, it jumped to the other dot down there, damn, okay. Gotta fix that real quick. So that means this guy is still fine here. And then he jumps down here, so we need to fix that. Something is strange. Oh yeah, this is... wait, what? Ah, because it's transforming. Okay, so I guess we can use the foreground here. Transform. Foreground only. So that way it should not... okay, okay, whatever. We need to put this on none for now. And do our tracking again. It's like this. Let's see. Something just feels a bit off here. And the tracking is fine. I just need to make it not jump at the end here. Means this, right? Yeah, that looks better. Okay, is the other one still fine? No. Can I lock tracks some way? Okay, I think that way it won't change. Okay, so I can just edit this one from now on, even though I did that already. Okay, back, and let's reposition this one so it's correct. Like that. Oh no. That's not correct. It should be here. What is it doing? I feel like it's not tracking it correctly. What am I doing wrong? Something is definitely off here. When is dinner time? Later, man. I'll get some ramen for dinner. Together with Melody, we're going to a ramen restaurant. Okay, why does it do this huge jump? Let's see if we track it again. It just keeps jumping away. I don't get it. Do we have to just go frame by frame now? Okay, let's just do it for now, but it's definitely a bit strange behavior right now. The point tracker is in general a little confusing to me. I don't always understand why it's doing what it's doing, or how to handle it properly. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, let's do that again. Let's plug that as a linked copy in here, tap that in there. Then we are going to operate as a match move again with background only. So that way we should have... Okay. Okay, did that work already? It's moving in the opposite direction. It's inverting the track. Why is it doing that? Does it need to be foreground over background? Background needs to be 180 by 920. Make it transparent. Okay, there we go. Now it worked. Okay, I'm not sure why it moved in the opposite direction. Not super sure. At least it's working now. Dinner! I meant the best songwriter in the world. Dude, I gotta figure out if his music is copywritten. If it's not copywritten, we definitely have to have a dinner jingle in the streams at some point. Maybe like the closing song. The closing song should be a dinner song. Do you want to go out tonight? 'Cause I think it's gonna change your life. That would be beautiful. That would be what people want. Edit the fusion cameras. Okay, so let's just edit this a little bit so we can see a little better. Okay, yeah, so we definitely need to adjust the frogs a lot to make them work. I don't want this gain gamma control here. Okay, these are the shadows. And the shadows. Okay, they don't need to be that dark. Yeah, okay. I feel like the color correction should definitely be pushing the frogs more redder, like that, yeah. Feels more included. This alpha multiply, that one, that should have fixed the alpha thing. Is that even a problem? No, not really. Okay, so I'll just get rid of that. Well, actually, I'll keep it, but I'll disable it. And the blur. We don't need that much blur. Actually, we might need that much blur. This much blur. Oh, well, I forgot. On the camera tracker, we need to enable motion blur too. Motion blur. There we go. Yes. OMG, best idea. We should make our own non-copyright version of the song with you singing. I mean, if you're up for that, Damien, I would. That sounds like a fun time. I mean, we should make a band either ways. Like we should just make our own band at some point, right? Okay. Okay, this is good. It looks good in general. I feel like they're floating a little bit in the front. Yeah, in the beginning. I might need to hand animate the beginning a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, but in general, it looks kind of good. Maybe the glow is a little bit too much here. Yeah, I'll turn off the glow for now. This is also a bit much. Yeah, that's better. The grain should still be... Grain looks fine, I think. Yeah. Maybe I need to push the blacks up a little bit. Yeah, these reflections look a tiny bit too dark. Like this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and then we need to fix the... It's true. We can call it sexy VFX, and people will be very confused about that name. Is this band doing... Is this VFX or is this music? It's both. I've heard that French movie studios, like when they import movies from America, that they try to make them sexy by like changing the movie title to something with sexy or sex or something like that. Very funny. Okay, I need to animate. I need to adjust the animation a little bit. The tracker works and it's on its own, but let's add a transform right here, and then we just add some manual animation to make it look good. Shit was playing back a bit quicker. Can we do that with proxy? Does that help? If we just do half resolution. Yeah, it's a bit quicker. What if we did quarter resolution? That just makes it crash, apparently. Like Cruel Intentions was renamed to Sex Intentions. Sexy? Sexy? What does that mean specifically? Sexy. Sexy intentions? Ah, okay, I see. That's just too much on the nose, right? Like a little bit too obvious. Okay, I think Resolve crashed. Quarter resolution is too low for it. It won't go that low. Okay, here we go. Okay, proxy, half resolution, that should work. Yeah, half works. Okay, can I turn something off so it's quicker? OCIO doesn't make a big difference. What if I just turn everything off? How much quicker is it then? A little quicker, but okay, I'll just work with this. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll look for some reference. So, like right here is, like, yeah, half of the frames list when the positioning looks good. So I'll just set some keyframes here. Center, size. That should be already good. Pivot. Maybe I'll put the pivot up here, so it gets up from there, right? Yeah. Okay. So let's remember. So the frog on the front here, his foot touches kind of like this space here. I've got an idea actually. Let's just screen grab this. Is there a way to keep something? I think with Power Toys there was a way to like keep a window on top, right? Let me look again. Power Toys. Because that would be really useful. That way I could just like have this screenshot just like directly in front of me. Let's see. Always on top, yes. What's the button? Windows Shift, Windows Control T. Just Control T. Nice, perfect. That's a very cool feature. And it's just in general, like Power Toys is such a good tool. I mean, it just adds a bunch of very useful tools. Okay, so I've got this as a reference here. It's taking a bit much space, but whatever. And then let's look on the top somewhere. I guess let's just screen grab this whole section here, so we see how it should look like. And also put this one on top. Perfect. Okay, cool. And now we can, yeah, we put our keyframes down, so now we can go to the beginning and make sure that it aligns similarly. So, wait, I gotta understand this. Oh, this is that. I see. It's that, so this should be scaled down a bit, I guess. And move here. On the top. They look not super correct. Ah, it's about right. Position's a bit off. It should be more like over here. Yeah, that already feels more realistic. Okay, now I think we just need to adjust the smoothness of the animation. Oh, yeah, I think we can already get rid of this. Select the tool only. Show me the whole thing. So let's see, how is the movement in general? Okay, so the ending is smooth, the beginning is pretty abrupt, so this could work. Yeah, honestly, I think that's good. I feel like the footage has some type of compression though that we could try to replicate. I'll just add a little bit more grain. Let's see. Okay, I don't like the auto proxy. Let's disable. Let's do. Oh, actually, no, this is fine. This is fine. Just disable proxy. Okay. Yeah, no, this grain doesn't fit that well. But this looks kind of fine. I feel like they should be a bit more saturated, maybe, because the footage is very saturated. Yeah. Yeah, that works better. Okay. Okay, cool. Then I'll just give it a little bit more detail. I'm gonna replicate this flare here. Yeah. Okay, so for that, we should be able to just get a background. Put that here, make the resolution correct. Just full HD. 92. And then we want some gradient. Gonna pick this. Can I also move this? Oh, you can't move this. That's a bit annoying. Radial? Oh yeah. Yeah, this should work. Okay, so for the left side we're gonna have this, and for the right side we're gonna have like this grayish here. That could work. And then basically we're just gonna put this on top of our render. After our color correction, so it fits with the footage. After the grains, so yeah, after this color correction here. Yeah, so merge it with this. And maybe screen could work. Yeah, that looks good. And now we can just plug this here into the alpha channel, so that way it's just cut out where the frogs are. That looks okay. Like the outlines are a bit dark. Let's see. Let's play around with the merge node a little bit. Doesn't need to be that harsh. Maybe this is already enough. Yeah, this already kind of does the trick, I think. Without. Cool, and then we just animate this gain here. First, it's completely off here. Still a little visible, but just like a tiny bit on this frame. Yeah. Yeah, okay, let's see how that looks in movement. Shadows do look a little darker. But let's see, it's only for one frame. Oh yeah, that works pretty well. Yeah, honestly, I think the reflections are still a little bit too dark. I'm gonna bring those up a little bit, but I think otherwise it works pretty well. Okie dokie. Oh yeah, let's bring up the shells a tiny bit. Like this. Yeah. Yeah, that looks better. Oh wait, didn't change it. Is it literally the same? Did I not change anything? I feel like I did. Oh yeah, now it's rebaking it. Recaging it. Yeah. I think this is good to go. Yeah, we'll just keep it like this for now. Okay. Next one, this shot. I don't think we have it rendered, but we have it animated, I'm pretty sure. Render. Yeah, no, we only have these 1 and 3 rendered. Okay, let's check out the 3D scene. 1, 2, yeah, shot 2 is ready to get rendered. Let's just start the render process in the background and then work on something else in the meantime. Let's see, render view. Do we activate the background again? Yeah, I think that actually helps. It makes the reflections look kind of weird. Does it look that weird when I render too? Yeah, kind of. Maybe if I turn this into a shadow catcher too. Oh yeah, there we go. If it's a shadow catcher, it works. It plays well with other shadow catchers. That's good to know. Okay. Does it look the same though? It doesn't look the same. I think it's better. Or is it? Honestly, I can get more red tones into the frogs with just compositing. I don't think I need this that much. Yeah, let's just do it in comping, because I feel like these reflections just look much better without it. Here. Fuck it. Okay, shot 2. Then we are going to start the render. Let's just quickly check if there's anything off. No, it's all working. Okay, let's go. Okay, while that is rendering, how long is that gonna take? 12 seconds per frame. That is, let's see, 12. First of all, we are 86 minus 45, which is 41. And 41 times 12 seconds, that's divided by seconds, so it's minutes. 8.2 minutes, okay. That's very quick. I wish Blender itself did a pre-calculation of the estimated render time, because yeah, I mean, you can easily do it, like I did it just now. Maybe there's an add-on for that. Actually, let's just let's look it up. That could be cool. Let's see. Blender add-on time estimation for render. Render time estimation add-on. Yeah, there we go. Okay, how does it work? Is it straightforward? Oops. Oh, it's a separate panel. I mean, that's fine. I just wish it was. Oh, it's on top right. Okay, no, that's great. That's actually great. Yeah, I might as well get this. It's a huge quality of life improvement. Yeah, let me just save this. Maybe that's even like a free version. Okay, yeah, this also does some things similar. Okay, I'll look at it later again. For now, yeah, let's prepare the other shot. Blender, open another Blender instance. Open the same file. That's a different project. For Rave, yes. 3D. For Rave. Oh, what? We worked with V2 just now? This is V2, yeah. Oh, okay, let me open up V3 then. But I don't think we changed much, we just added the start the render. Yeah, this one's definitely more complete. Just the final shot is missing. Okay, cool. So that means we can animate the final shot now. Let's just let me make a V4. This one's still rendering, but done soon. Okay, let's set up the last shot here. Shot 6. We should still get away with just a normal 2D camera track in the last shot. This is shot 6. Then we're gonna bind it to this marker. Perfect. Then we're gonna enable Oh no, we have our geometry. Okay, so we're gonna line it up. The easiest way is, yeah, so just like line up one part. I like to start with this foot here. Then put the 3D cursor there. And from there, just use the 3D cursor transform to transform everything with scale, rotate, and yeah, just scaling and rotating to like fit the geometry. Oh, this one's kind of weird though. Maybe the lens is different? Maybe. Okay, I feel like this should still work though. Okay, let's activate the frogs, see how they are positioned here. Oh, what? Oh, they are really everywhere, this shot. Interesting. I didn't think they would be so far in the front. I think we have to compare it to the other shot to make sure it's correct. I also don't think we need depth of field for this shot. Yeah, we can just do that in post. Oh, and all the animations stopped. What? That's so strange. Huh. Let's see. I feel like something went wrong. So I thought I remembered that. Oh, okay. Okay, I think I just forgot the last... Oh, okay, I think I just like extended it. I thought this was the ending line. So now... Gotta do that again. Let's see, is it still animated all the way back here? No. So the animation ends here. So we need to extend it. So this needs to start one frame earlier. That. Okay, this frog extends. Okay, we gotta do this for all the frogs. All the frogs. I don't fully get why this needs to be like slightly off so the other animation can start. Same here. Same here. Let's see which boy doesn't finish his dance. A few boys still. Oh, this seems to be a pretty short animation. Is this the jumping? Oh yeah. Oh, but this seems like it's stopping earlier. Oh. Yeah, that's all that is. Wait, no, not really. Playback speed 1. Damn. I think we just have to get rid of this frog because the animation is definitely not long enough to cover everything. Yeah, I think we just need to get rid of this boy. Sadly. Get him out of here. Okay, this render is done. That's good, that's good. Shot 2, cool, cool. Okay, I'm gonna open up the new version and then we're gonna render the different shot while I'm still animating the other one. Okay, so we just rendered shot 2, we have 3, so we can render 4 and 5. Okay, I'll do 4. So actually I can just render both. Sure, why not? And I'll just put them in different folders afterwards. Shot 4 plus 5 V1. There, EXR. Here. Oh, there's some animations popping in here. I'll fix that. Oh, but then I need to fix it in the other. Because I wanted to use this one just for rendering. Okay, whatever. I'll just fix it in this one for now. I can fix it in the other one again. This one too. Another one. Oh, this guy back here. Okay, that's cool. Oh, they're also jumping over at this place. This guy also. Okay. That should be good now though. Wait, oh yeah, I need to set a different time for this. Not using the preview time, but the real one. Okay, so like this. Yeah, here we go. Oh, is the environment deactivated here? This one? Yeah, let's check because I really feel like it doesn't help because it makes the reflections look weird. Yeah, I'll just leave it off. I think. I'm pretty sure. How about this one? Yeah, I'll leave it off. Okay. Okay, that looks good. Let's make sure now that this kind of like looks similar to the first shot. So the first shot, they're all pretty close together in the front. Yeah, it feels like I need to put them closer together here too. For sure. Okay, this guy can stay here. I don't want his ballerina moves for the last shot, sadly. Oh, this guy also needs a little bit help with the animation. He needs a moment to start. Let's help him. Yeah, he should start here already. That one. I feel like these two guys should dance together. They've got similar dances. This guy and this guy. Yeah, that's cute. Very cute. Gangnam Style, I feel like should be look towards us a little bit more. Yeah, just the lonely boy down here going for a shopping cart ride. This guy can move a little bit more like here. Oh, it doesn't fit so well. Yeah, I think that should be cool. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Save that. How fast is the other render? Let's see. It's almost half. Okay. So I guess we can start rendering this on the other GPU. GPU 1. Ooh, what's happening here? Is it this thing again? Yeah, this is, I don't think this helped at the end. This already looks pretty good. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's render it. So this one's called Rave Shot 6v1. Change that to multi-layer EXR. And we can render it, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Oh, I forgot to set up the correct render distance again. This feature is really useful, but you gotta watch out that you don't accidentally have it enabled. Okay, so while we're waiting for it to finish rendering, okay, a little 5-minute break. See you in a moment. Alright, okay. Let's continue. One of the renders is done, so we can start comping it. Here we go. Opening resolve. Let's see. Oh, actually, we had a few renders ready already. Okay, so we could do a lot of stuff now. Shot 3. Okay, let's import all of them. And then we got shot 1 and 3. So this is 2. 6 is still rendering. Okay, it's actually 3, 2. Let's check it. I'm using the DGV player to watch back image sequences. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Shot 2. Okay, first of all, let's go into this shot and just like copy paste the whole composition. Hopefully we'll just have to plug in the new render and then it will look good. Let's see. Okay, remove all this, paste the real deal, go to the media pool, and replace this render with a new one. Then put in the correct starting point, which would be 255. Is it the end point? Alright. Oh yeah, and then select the composite layer. There we go. Okay, let's see. Does it look final? Let's use the LUT here. Just add a little bit of contrast. That looks pretty good. Yeah. Light wrap is doing a good job, I guess. Yeah, that's also doing a good job. The glow is also helping. Okay. I guess we can just watch it directly in the editor for real-time playback. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, looks pretty good. It's only a missing frame or something. Okay, what's happening here? I guess that was just a render bug, because I don't see a missing frame. Oh, everything looks good here. Yeah, okay. Let's move on to the next one. Which should be... Okay, all the renders are done now, so... Shot 4 plus 5. Let's see, where was the edit point? Which frame belongs to shot 4 and which one to 5? 4 starts at 130, 5 starts at 173. 30, 173. Here we go. So this one should be... Yeah. Okay, so 173. I'm gonna copy, like, cut out. And then create a new folder. Frog Rave shot 5v1. Paste it in here. Perfect. And I'm gonna just call this one just shot 4. Okay. Lovely, lovely. Lovely. Okay, we've got 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's do 4 next. I guess we could just copy paste the composition again. 3, shot 4. Paste it. Okay, add our contrast back in here. It's a bit much maybe. Good. Okay. And then replace this with the footage for shot 4. Yep. Starting frame is 340. Okay, and select the composition. Okay, that already looks pretty good too. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, that looks pretty good to me. Let's edit the contrast curve a little bit so we can see more clearly. Yeah, I think this is good. I mean, they feel a bit dark, like they are a bit dark, but they feel like well incorporated. It feels realistic. I really like how the eyes are blinking, especially in the background. It feels really cool. Makes them feel more alive for sure. Okay. That's good. So that leaves us with 2 more shots. This one, shot 5. Okay, are we able to just like paste it again here? Hell yeah. Okay, drop shot 5 render in here. Put in the correct starting frame. 383. Input 0. And render layers combined. Okay, that already looks really good too. It's just like a one-click operation at this point. Let's get some contrast here again. Yeah, I mean, looks good. A detail that would be really cool if we could add that would be to like have some interaction between the frogs and the water. But I mean, there's probably a way to like make like a procedural system in Blender for like whenever they interact with it. But I'm not sure if we can do that in time today. That could take at least, yeah, I think at least like 4 hours to get that working. So I'll just like finish it up without it, send it to them, and then yeah, I hope they are happy with it. Otherwise, we can still do a little bit. Okay, and this one is last. For this one, actually, I'll copy whatever I did here because it's going to be a very similar setup. Sheet 6. Then we replace that. Correct. And in frame 426. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, and combined. Looks good, looks good. Now we just gotta track it. Yeah, let's use the tracker here. Okay, so put 2-point track would be great. Let's see what we can get here. Probably get like the center thing here. Then And probably this blue dot here. I think then the frogs are out of frame anyways. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, let's reset this. Add another one. Oops, I added two. Okay, let's check that. I think that almost worked. Okay, this guy jumps a bit. The next frame, yeah, this is off. Oh, did I do a mistake by moving that first? Sure. In general, I don't really understand. Sometimes the tracking area moves with the thing, and sometimes it doesn't. So I'm not sure how it works. What's the other one? What happened to the other one? The other one was perfect. But now it's not. Damn it. Okay, so. Because it was already wrong. So, okay, I have to adjust it then. Yeah, but where's the search area? What happened to the... Oh, is this search area? Yes, it is. Oh yeah, okay, this is... it's obviously... it's hard to track. So this got lost here. Okay, I feel like I just need to do hand by like frame by frame positioning. This should be here. Is still correct? Still correct? This is not. Should be here. Next one over here. Over here. It's a bit tedious work. Okay, I guess that should be enough. And then the frogs are not visible anymore anyways. Or are they? Maybe I should do one more. Oh no, they're probably still going to be visible here. Oh, okay, I'll just have to animate the rest by hand, I guess. Can I delete the rest of the tracking points here? Oh, I can, nice. Okay, that's it, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so then... maybe that's already working now? Let's see. I think I have to switch this to match move. Background. There we go. Oh, is there still animation of this? Oh yeah, we don't need that. We don't need that. Remove the animation. We want it later on. Let's do half resolution so we can work a little bit quicker. Oh no. Please don't crash. Ah, shit. Looks like it crashed again. It's just like, I hate it when like programs crash for the weirdest reasons. I just switched from full resolution to half resolution. Why is that a reason to crash? If I do something that's like something intense that the program just can't handle, I get it, but it's like basic features. It's very frustrating when basic features make a program crash. Okay, it's not responding. Oh no, I didn't save the latest version. Oh shit, let's just check if there was nothing. Oh no, this is the latest version. Okay, that's fine. Oh no! Let's restart Resolve. Yeah, that still looks pretty much up to date. Is the track color still good? I think. Yeah. Okay, cool. I need to enable motion blur, of course. Where's the motion blur? FG over BG. Yeah. Give me motion blur, man. Come on. That's weird. It doesn't add the motion blur. Oops. Let's do half resolution. So the track starts fucking up around here. Okay, so I'll delete these points again. Wait, where are the tracking points? Why can't I... What the hell? I can't see them. I can edit them, but I can't see them. That's weird. So, could I do this? No. Yeah, I don't really get the tracker. The 2D tracker is kind of confusing to me, and not really easy to handle, to use. Yeah, where's the motion blur, man? Come on. Motion blur is turned on. Brah. Do we have a 2D tracker in a different shot? I want to check if the motion blur worked there. At the beginning here, but that's not really motion blur necessary. It's a pretty slow movement. That's annoying. And if I can't... Oh, that's so annoying. Why is there no motion blur? This is a pretty basic feature. Okay, let's see if this renders now. Okay, but first of all, actually, let's get the rest of the movement going. This everything here still looks realistic. Somewhat. Oh, it's kind of drifting. Okay, so he's like dancing on that white blob. Okay, so let's keyframe it here. Okay, he's dancing on this white blob thing. Now it moves. That guy's. I just want to make sure that they don't shift. It should be more like here. Yeah, I think so. Oh, we need to replicate the light too. Okay, and here they should be totally gone. Yeah, okay, that feels about right. Yeah, we just need that motion blur, man. Okay, let's see. I'll just add RSMB. Why not? RSMB is extremely useful. It almost always works. It almost always does exactly what you want it to do. But the problem is now it's also blurring. Oh, what happened here? What is happening? Why is there no frogs? Frogs are here. What's the problem? What the hell? What is this? Is the tracker just going bonkers? What the hell? What is this? Man, why does the tracker make me so many problems now? It's not doing motion blur. It's suddenly it's upside down. That doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense, man. Rotation. Oh, did I exchange the tracking points? Are they mixed up in this one frame? Okay, that could be. I mean, that just means that the tracking system is strange. Wait. If I move it a bit, it's fixed. Oh, this is so random. This is so annoying. Okay, it's fixed just because I moved the tracker a few pixels. Okay, and now I just need to replicate this flashlight here. I need to change how the frogs look in these few frames here. I think I'll just use a color corrector for that. First of all, let's enable post multiply. Lift. Maybe not lift. Brightness. That kind of works in that situation. Yeah. Yeah, that looks good. I think. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, and then I can just turn it on and off with the blending mode here. So, actually, it probably is better to use a mask. So actually, let's use a circle? Ellipse? Ellipse, yes. A little bit of a feather. Yeah, that looks pretty well. Okay, let's animate all this stuff. Move it away. There it comes in. That's all of them. Moves up. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Okay, let's see how it looks in playback. Okay, change mechanical output. Yeah, it's beginning to cage now. Hell yeah, okay. Okay, here we go. Ah, the animation isn't really... the tracking is definitely a bit off. Oof, that's rough. The beginning is fine. I guess when I added my own animation, we should be able to fix that though. There's, I think the grading is a bit too flat. They need a little bit more conscious, I think. Okay, let's adjust the transformation here. Maybe it's because I need to smoothen it out. He's staying on top of that. Okay, I can definitely see it shifting to the right. Okay, that feels better. Okay, let's look at it again. The editor. I really don't understand why I can't play back Fusion comps in real time inside of Fusion. I need to go into the editor for it to cache it there. Yeah, I just don't know why they don't use the same caching system they have in the editor in Fusion, because it works really well. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's fine. There's a little jiggle at the end, which we can still fix, but everything else looks pretty good. Cool. Yeah, let's just watch the whole thing. Okay, yeah, the majority works pretty well. Most of it. I'm kind of trying to decide if like we need to adjust the animation at the end, or if our attention is like on the two hazmat suits anyways. Yeah, I feel like the attention is on the suits anyways. Okay, yeah, I'll render this out, send it to Mike and Dave, see what they think, if they like it. Alright, cool. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Cool, I think that's for the live stream then too. Yeah, thanks everyone for joining again, and I'll see you next week for the beginning of the real classes. Bye bye!